G'day team, Timo here from Fin Chase Marine. Today we're doing a walkthrough on our FC535 center console, so jump on board and I'll show you around. We've got this bait station here with a ski tow at the back, 3 rod holders, a nylon bait board there which is removable, lifts out there. You've got your 60 horse Mercury on this one, passive live bait tank down there, so as you can see that fills up to the water line with the boat. So as you see down the back we've got these 3 cubby holes all for storage. This one's got a tackle box, so you can do dual batteries, put another one down here, or all your scrubbing brushes, sinkers, knives, bits and bobs. And then we move up here, so you got the console itself, the Garmin fish finder, mercury gauge, anchor, nav lights, bilge pump, all your essentials. A rocket launcher here, 4 rod holders, got your anchor light there. As you'll see, the T-top is a reasonable size, give you a bit of extra shade in the summertime, saves you getting fried. So in here, storage, take these off, got a top shelf there, fuel in here, which you can get 2 25s in. Push that up there, you can get 2 25s in, another one there. So it keeps your fuel out of the way, it's not taking up any fishing room, which is in a smaller boat is crucial. And this, we've got side shelves in this one. As you'll see up the top there, we've got lined holes there, so you can poke your fishing rods without them rubbing against the alloy. Move on to the front. Got more storage compartment up in here. Get another one down there, so good for your dry storage, things like that. Got a chili bin here, which we've got set up with holes on the front here for your tie down to hold it in place. Moving on in here, got the battery, nicely secured and out of the way, out of the weather down there. We've got the anchor well, anchor, rope and chain. There you go team, so that is the Fin Chaser 535 center console. Got a deal on these till the end of the boat show, so be sure to come on down and see us and we'll get you out there on the water and into those fish in no time.